These cards show number lines that represent tens and ones. Students translate these number lines into based on symbols, write a number sentence, and explain. Let's work on card number 2. This number line has 2 tens and 2 ones. I draw 2 10 longs. This is my 10 long, the long stick, and this shows units. So I make 2 10 longs and 2 dots to represent ones. Now number sentence for this is 2 tens is 20 plus 2 is 22. Explanation: 2 tens and 2 ones make 22. Card number 12 is also 2 10 longs and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 units. 4 5 6 7 8 units. 2 tens is 20 plus 8 ones is 8, which makes 28. The same thing, 2 tens and 8 ones make 28. Card number 10. 1 2 3 4 10 longs, because these are 4 tens, and 1 2 3 4 5 units. 4 tens is 40 plus 5 units is 5, and it is 45. 4 tens and 5 ones make 45. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. Oops, this need not be here. And answers provide immediate feedback.